I jumped on a putter no one wanted, and this is why. I jumped on a putter that no one wanted, and I'm going to show it to you in a second. But first, I want to make an important point. Take good pictures. People scroll fast. People are lazy. Let me show you the ad. $30 putter, and all you can see is the bad grip. If I'm a golfer looking for a quality putter, I scroll right past that. Obviously, I clicked on it to see the details, to realize that it was a beautiful Ping G2. The head and shaft are in perfect condition. The grip does need to be changed, but we're talking about maybe a 5-minute job. And then, still scrolling around, I came across an Odyssey White Hot with a brand new Ping grip. So then I got excited. My plan is to remove the grip from the Odyssey, put it on the Ping. My only worry is that even though the Ping grip is new, it's cracked right over here. So I'm worried then when I try to remove it, it's going to split. But it would look so good on the Ping G2 that I'm going to risk it. There's really nothing to do on this except change the grip. Let's go. Just like I expected, I split open the Ping grip. The guy I bought it from said it was new. I do believe that he thought it was new, as in he didn't use it, but it's definitely not new. You can tell by the way it cracked like this when I removed it, that this grip is not new. It just hasn't been used much. So unfortunately, this does not have the value I thought it would have, but I'm hoping that the glue will dry and that these stitches will at least make this grip look good. Okay, so the Ping grip stitches did work, as in it's not split open, but it's still a very, very sad day. And I'm gonna have to declare this in my ad. I'm still gonna start this putter at 120. If it doesn't sell in 48 hours, I'll bring it down to 110. And in 3 days, if it still hasn't sold, I'm gonna bring it down to 90, but we'll accept anything above 80. And I'm pretty sure that's a realistic resale price. It sold. It took a while though. The Ping G2 left the shop 6 days after I posted the ad, so you can imagine that I had brought my price down. I bought the putter, $30. It sold for $80. And I'm not counting the Odyssey from which we took the Ping grip, because we're gonna flip and resell the Odyssey putter in our next video. So I'm left with a $50 profit margin for a 10-minute job. This is a $300 an hour flip. No need to say that I consider this a successful flip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another successful flip. See you around.